For over 2 decades, Lone Star Analysis has provided decision intelligence and engineering solutions, empowering organizations to achieve decision superiority. Our award-winning solutions are powered by sophisticated analytics and evolved AI to create predictive and prescriptive software to make smarter decisions faster when facing complex challenges. Lone Star's MaxUp MxP is part of our award-winning MaxUp Readiness Solutions. MaxUp MxP is maintenance and supply staffing optimization software that allows the user to develop, document, and test the effectiveness of various manning approaches. Using asset utilization as a starting condition, it provides a defendable, scientific approach for establishing workforce requirements. The software conducts a bottom-up approach to forecast scheduled, unscheduled, and special maintenance events across an entire population of assets, and then calculates necessary staffing by skill set to meet established utilization targets. Whether conducted organically or contracted through third-party providers, maintenance and supply functions are specialized services required to effectively manage inspection, repair, and supply chain operations. A skilled and diverse workforce is essential in performing these critical functions. Yet, many organizations find it difficult to make effective human resource decisions today to meet customer demands of tomorrow. Imagine a workforce planning solution designed to improve employee and organizational efficiency while minimizing workforce costs. MaxUp MxP applies advanced analytics and deep domain knowledge to deliver data-driven solutions for managing workforce requirements in scenario-based software. Capturing the comprehensive body of maintenance, supply, and administrative demands, the software delivers staffing answers by skill set and labor hour requirements per task. Integrating collective bargaining agreements, area wage determinations, overhead, G&A rates, and profit, the software provides projected workforce costs to meet targeted products and services. MaxUp MxP is a model-based simulation that accurately predicts workforce and cost requirements, utilizing existing data, business rules, critical metrics, and what-if scenario analyses. The software quickly evaluates varying courses of action to inform effective personnel management. The software delivers actionable analyses for sound fiscal stewardship and mission accomplishment, improving confidence and reducing uncertainty for mission-critical decisions. Currently, it is in use by the U.S. Navy to defend source selection decisions. The solution is agnostic and can be replicated in thousands of other unique environments across the DoD and commercial sectors. To see a full demo of MaxUp MxP, email us at information@lone-star.com. To learn more about Lone Star Analysis Solutions, please visit our website at lone-star.com. We deliver decision superiority.